Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Mohammed and today we are going to dive into the market forecast, focusing two of my favorite trading pairs, gold and the Dow Jones, which is also known as US30. Let's jump into the charts to review the last week's movement and also discuss the potential coming week movements as well. Let's start with the gold. And let's start with the daily time frame. If you see the daily time frame for the gold, so we can see like the start of the week is quite bullish, and then after that market retrace a bit or behaving in a ranging market for a couple of days, and then we got a breakout above this solid level 2340. So after that, what's happening? Price close above this level, and then now we are heading towards the good level, and there is no hurdle there to breach to hell there. So what's the next forecast? So as we are heading very much bullish, if we move to the lower time frame, so if we can see like price go all the way up, and then now it is ranging around because it is a weekly close on the Friday side. So now it is heading towards the next target would be the 2400. But also we need to keep in mind the next week there's a lot of fundamental as well. So let's look at the fundamentals. If we see the fundamental for the next week, so Monday it is a quite cool day, nothing much in the fundamental side. And on Tuesday we will hear about the Core PPI. This is fancy term for checking how prices are doing for the folks who make products. It can tell us if things are getting more expensive or not, which can affect gold prices. And on Wednesday, there is a solid news. Next up on Wednesday, we have CPI on our consumer price index. This one is super important because it shows how much prices have changed for everyday things like foods and clothes. If prices are going up, it could mean gold will go up too. And then Thursday, we get unemployment numbers. These tell us how many people are without jobs. This news can also make the market move because it shows how the economy is doing. With respect to the lot of fundamentals, so what we expect for the gold. So I personally believe the gold is still stay bullish. We may see some retracement, but it will stay bullish. The good thing is gold may come down to this level or maybe further down to 2350. I would say this would be the good level in terms of retracement with respect to news. Price may spike down to this level, and then we may see the solid bullish move, and our target should be the 2400. And if we move down to the lower time frame, 1 hour, so it is perfectly aligned with this level. So as you see, like price may tap to this level with the CPI and all those news, and then we can look for the buy option here. And our first target should be the 2400, and it would be quite achievable. On the lower side, price may come to test this level, and we can look for buy here as well. So this could be another good potential buy as well. So we need to see how price move in those certain areas. But overall, we are very much bullish for the gold because all the fundamental also have Fed is about to cut the rates, and this will also push the gold further up. But obviously the Fed rate would be done in end of month or the maybe next month. So overall, also the Israel and Gaza conflict also will fundamentally support gold to move up. For me, I would say we need to look for buy, and your buy level should be like 2360 or to 2357 to 60 would be good buy level. But with a lot of news coming in, so we can say like price may spike down to 2350, 2347 to 50 area. And then we just got the liquidity from here and then all the way up to 2400. Hopefully we will see 2400 in the coming week. So this is all for gold. So let's move to the next pair, which is my favorite, US30. So let's start with the daily. So gold and the US30, both are quite bullish. I would say the US30 is more bullish than gold, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 straight bullish candle. So if we see in the previous market, so it happened in this bull run happened the last time like in December. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, almost 7 candles here as well. So what we expect Now for the US30. US30 break this level 3900, and now it is heading towards the big all-time high level. It is 40k. If we move down to the lower time frame, H4, we can see this is the level gold break on Friday, and then price come down to test this level and then all the way up. So now if you see on the left hand side, there is no hurdle. So what we expect with the US30? So I would say we may expect the more bullish movement, but we need to keep in mind there is a lot of news as well. So in such news, the spikes may happen easily. So we may see the price may down again to test this 400 level and then all the way up. But it depends upon the news, like how. So I would not recommend anyone to trade during the news time, but once you see the price is getting stable, so it will give you the direction, and we need to look for the buy option. And if you see the H1, so it is perfectly aligned as well. So I'm not expecting the price is directly go and break this level. So we may see the little bit range here, and with NYC open on Monday, price may spike down a bit, and then we may see the US30 all the way up. And our main target should be the 39,900 would be the safer target, but we can look for 40,000 as well, because in the higher time frame, if you see this, so as you see, yeah, I would say 39,900 would be the good swing trade option. 40k would be a bit risky. Maybe price, like if price break this level, it could go up, but we do not have any above structure for it. I am bullish for both US30 and gold, and yeah, we need to look for buy. And also we need to keep in mind all the news what is coming in the next week. Like Tuesday we have Core PPI, and then Wednesday we have the CPI, and Thursday we have the unemployment. So we need to keep in mind all those news and look for buy option for US30 and gold. This is all I have for today. Hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you next week analysis, hopefully by Monday. So have a good day. Bye. Thank you.